Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Lady Datejust 28mm in yellow gold with diamonds on the bezel and the dial with a champagne star diamond dial. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch, then I'll tell you about where it stands in the lineup of other similar Datejusts, then I'll tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's try. The Datejust 28 was created, actually it evolved from the Datejust 26. The 26mm, which is 2mm smaller than this one, had been around for quite some time. I want to say, 30, 40, 50 years, something like that. It was the Datejust of choice for most ladies up until around mid-2000s. I think around 2015 or 16, something like that, Rolex decided, you know what, 26mm is just too small. It's hard to read. We're going to up the size by 2mm, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. And we're going to make it more legible, and it's going to be the smallest Datejust, and we're going to get rid of the 26. And that's what happened. And so the result was Rolex revamped their ladies Datejust. They made them at the size that you see now, and they had it in many different variations, in all steel, steel and rose gold, steel and white gold, steel and yellow gold, all rose gold, yellow gold, white gold, and they just done a lot of variations of it. The one that you're looking at here, so which brings us to the next point, is where this watch stands in the lineup, is all yellow gold. And not only is it all yellow gold, it has all the upgrades. Upgrades meaning what they have done to the bezel and the dial. This one has both a diamond bezel and a diamond dial. So this one pretty much is at the top of the top. And as of 2025, the retail is around $45,000, but you can get it for a bit less than that at jazztime.com, or even used one for quite a bit less than that, actually, like in the 30s. So, you know, it's quite a nice buy, considering that most Rolexes these days are selling at or above retail. This one, you have some options at jazztime.com. Okay, at any rate, it's one of the highest end ladies Datejusts that you can get. So let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. The case is 28mm. It's made of all yellow gold. Rolex mixes their own gold in their gold foundries, which is to be expected from a super high-end watch company such as Rolex, probably the number one, at least in terms of volume of sales, not volume of sales, but amount of sales, revenue of sales. I think they had, I don't know, billions of dollars worth of sales. I forgot how many billions, but they were number one by far. But at any rate, they make a beautiful product, and that's why they're number one. And they do their gold amazing. It's a mix of, it has proportions of different proportions. Something like they have some copper in it, some platinum, some palladium, some yellow gold, of course, and however they do it. And the result is finally what you see here, 28mm from my thumb to my index finger, the longest distance across. Let's look at the bezel. The bezel comes in different variations. You can get it with a fluted bezel, or you can get it with this diamond bezel that you see here. The diamond bezel is the most luxurious, the most expensive, and you can be assured that Rolex only chooses the best diamonds set by a professional gem setter, so that the orientation and everything is perfectly aligned, so that the watch glistens and looks beautiful on the wrist at all times. And to me, I think the diamond bezel really adds a touch that, like no other. It really makes this watch look even more luxurious. The watch is already luxurious in gold, but adding this diamond just adds a level, that cannot be touched. And I don't think I would do anything further than the diamond bezel. I wouldn't want the rest of the watch diamonded out, like the band or the head or something like that. It looks perfect as it is. All right. At any rate, let's move on here to the dial. The dial is quite special. This is a champagne dial, or it's also a golden dial. To me, it's like champagne, but you can call it a golden dial, I guess. Rolex also makes a champagne dial with 10 diamonds. This one actually has star diamonds. The diamonds are housed in a setting that looks like a star. All right, and the diamond itself is not a star. The diamond is a circular diamond, but it's housed in the setting of it is a star. And also at the 9 o'clock, it's pave at the 9 o'clock. Now they also make one with just regular round diamonds, 10 diamonds. It's to be honest, it's a little bit boring compared to this one. It's more or less the same idea, but it is a different way to approach it. Not as fun. This is a much more fun way to do it. The champagne dial itself is also a sunray finish, which means you move it in different lights and it shows the masterful brushing techniques that create grooves outward from the center and also just glisten differently as the light hits it from different variations or different angles, I should say. All right, let's move on here to the bracelet. This is a President bracelet. Now, interestingly, they also make the 28 millimeter Datejust also on a Jubilee bracelet. Yes, that's right. So they make the Jubilee bracelet in all gold, and they also do the President bracelet. Now, I probably would say I prefer the President bracelet because it's the more luxurious of the two. They only put President bracelets on precious metal watches, and this being a precious metal, they can do that. It has this distinction of having 3 semicircular links. The links are semicircular, they're not a full circle. That's why it's called semi. And then it has 3 links across, and they're full solid links. That means full gold links, and it's pretty cool. And it has a concealed crown clasp. Now the Jubilee has 5. This one has 3, but you know, it's easily recognizable, and it's just a beautiful bracelet. One of the best bracelets, I would say, on the market. Okay, now moving on, let's look at the movement here. The movement is an updated movement from the previous generation. It's a 2236. It has a 55 power reserve. It's not a whole lot to talk about since it's not, you can't see it, but it's there. All right, time to try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. Now, what can I say? I mean, nothing but things positive. A Datejust 28 is perfect for those who have a wrist size of, let's say, 5.5 inches or smaller, or let's say even 6 inches or smaller. Can wear a 28 millimeter. And in this configuration, I mean, you've done everything. There's nothing further you could do. I mean, it's literally the most expensive Datejust that you can get. It has the diamond bezel, it has the diamond dial, it's got a gold everything. I mean, so what else could you want? But aside from just being expensive, because expensive doesn't mean necessarily good. In this case it is, but it also looks beautiful. I like the champagne on champagne, or champagne on yellow gold. It's a really nice match. It's a very clean look. It looks like very luxurious, very beautiful. And definitely, I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. And if you'd like to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.